What you doing, Ez?
Digging.
Are you cleaning the driveway?
That's no good there.
Huh?
That's my driveway.
I know. Why don't you go and dig the driveway up?
Nobody won't let somebody find the driveway.
Yeah, go over here.
That's our driveway.
Yeah, do you want to do our driveway?
Okay.
Almost. Good digging.
Hey.